that someone yelling at us?
Yeah, somebody's yelling. Police.
Oh, it's police.
Fireworks today?
What's that?
Fireworks?
No.
No.
Oh yeah. Oh shit. Hell yeah, dude. Well, shit, I'm already lost. I think I remember this though. No. Do I remember this? I thought there was a sign here that said 5. 8. Wasn't here. Was it here? No. No, it's one more down, I think, right? No. This is not it. I mean, I think this is where we crossed. I remember there was like poles and shit. I'm freaking lost, dude. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Frick. Going. You do me a favor and doesn't have to read. That's just a can.
What?
That was a can. It's in can.
Oh. Come on, gotta go faster. Everybody go fast, come on. Come on, Nick. Get the heck.
Now we just hope and pray some bitch Karen is not watching us. Those guys need to go faster, dude.
I know. Hey,
They're so slow.
I think my first time I was trying to come up here,
Yeah.
there was security right there.
Oh shit.
I was like, fuck. And then yesterday was my first time successfully making it up there. Go up that,
Congrats.
Bro, go up that fucking, yeah,
Up the thing. You guys gotta hurry up.
Yeah, come on, bro.
Is that someone yelling at us?
Yeah, somebody's yelling. Police.
Oh, it's police. Okay. This thing is a maze, dude. They'll never find us. Okay, hold on. I want to check, see where he's at.
Because there's one over there.
Don't everyone walk across, just one. Come on. quickly. Yeah. 60 floors, here we go. When we get higher, let's look for a hiding spot in case police come.
Let me know when you're close.
I don't see any cops yet, but
Yeah, they're gonna come.
they're gonna come, yeah.
They're gonna come.
Shit, I'll stay up here all night. I don't even care. Wait.
I don't think there's an elevator that's gonna work. Not one of these.
Yeah. We gotta find a better hiding spot.
I just took the stairs yesterday, bro.
They're coming.
They're here?
Well, they're coming.
I'm like 100% sure it's not.
They're definitely for us. What are you talking about?
They got it.
Because yesterday I saw something.
That don't matter. He probably didn't see you yesterday. That's the thing. We gotta get down.
He didn't see me this morning. Yeah, we should probably leave.
That's the only way down. No.
No, well, there's so many ways down. We can get out in any way. But the thing is, that's the only way down without a motion sensor going off. So if they are over there, which they probably will be, as soon as we get to the bottom floor, just book it. Sirens are gonna start going, climb over the fence and just run. Get out of there. And they're loud too. I set one off this morning. Yeah, motion sensor. Shit, I wanted to watch fireworks, man. Yeah.
Yeah, 1000% sure. Yeah.
They're definitely for us, dude. What are you talking about? I want to see where they are. I don't see them anywhere, dude.
I really do not feel like they're possibly
I don't see them anywhere, yeah. They might be on the other side, though. Let's check. So it's like I can't even tell. We have to go on the scaffolding.
Get down on this.
On this, yeah. Maybe. I just want to see if they're here. It's kind of hard to tell, but I don't think they're there.
always feels weird. It's like that. Like this is not the same place.
Oh, there's a guy sitting there. Hurry.
Weird.
Go. Run. There's a guy sitting there on a bench. There's just this old dude. He won't do anything, but... yeah, it's right here. You guys want to go then?
Is there a guy?
No, there's no one.
It's a perfect time to go right now.
Yeah.
Fireworks today.
What's that?
Fireworks.
No.
Did you see anybody climb on the fence? No?
No.
You guys, man. Didn't go up there? The fence? Is there somebody still inside there?
I don't think so.
No matter what, that
No, because everyone, they left in an Uber. They went to go home.
Yeah, my buddy saw them.
Yeah, they're most likely on top because, I mean, I seen it, so they're clearly on top right there.
He's talking. No, man, I'm talking to the guy that went in. They said they're all out.
No, man, I'm telling you right now, I just seen a firework go up right on top of a...
They're, you know they're automatic, right?
Huh?
They're automatic, right?
Huh?
You know they're automatic. They're on a timer.
Yeah, they're on timer.
They set them and then just rush down.
Yeah. They said it was on timer. I'm talking to the guy now, one of the guys that went in there. The one?
Like, we have more people on top because
Yeah.
You mind if I come over
a
here?
firework blew up right on top of the second tower.
Talk to him.
Okay, here.
Yeah, there.
Is this one?
Yeah, just go.
Hello, I'm one of the guys.
What's up, man?
Yeah, they're the fireworks are on a timer, dude. We're I was with a different group, so they're all gone in an Uber, and I'm way away.
So, what do you mean, like, timer? Like...
We have them set on a timer. It's like a 15-minute timer. We set the timer and then rush back down.
Okay, I see. So you're saying nobody's on here, nobody's like in the buildings right now?
No, we did it last year and we did it without a timer, and then police came and we got arrested. So
Oh shit,
that's why we have a timer now. And so yeah, they set it on a timer, they rush back down. They're already out of the site and gone. It's just the fireworks are going off on their own.
Okay, I see now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just wondering, 'cause I just seen one right now go off, so I thought they were still up there, but I mean, if you say so, man, hopefully you're right.
No, yeah, they're safe fireworks. Everyone's gotten out safe. I made sure they all got out safe, and they just texted me that they're back home, so we're all good.